Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the Discourse Community Moderator AI agent. It helps moderators quickly generate clear, professional, and friendly replies, making community management a lot easier. This agent is designed to act like an experienced community manager. It also comes with a skill set called MCP Server Fetch. It fetches content from a forum link and combines it with the moderator's key points to create a clear, professional reply. Here's a real example. A member asked about sending record IDs through the webhook receive module. First, I gave it the user's post link so it could fetch the original question. Then in the prompt, I highlighted the key point. The webhook receive trigger doesn't support pulling parameters from a GET request. You need to use post and put them in the request body instead. Finally, I added a reference link so the agent could recommend it to the user in its reply. Within seconds, the agent generated a complete response. It first summarized the user's question, then drafted a polite, professional answer. The reply clearly explained the limitation, suggested posts with JSON, and included the tutorial link. And that's it. In under a minute, you can turn a complex technical thread into a polished, community-friendly reply. If you'd like to try it yourself, visit Bika.ai and look for the Discourse Community Moderator template in the Template Center.